write the expression here. Here is given 2 into x minus 1 is less than or equal to 9 minus x. We should write x in the set of whole numbers. We solve for x. First we multiply and open the bracket. 2 into x is 2x, plus into minus is minus, 2 ones are 2, less than or equal to the same 9 minus x we write. Then bring the x terms to one side and constant to the other side. So 2x, here minus x, when I bring to this side it will become plus x, less than or equal to, here we have 9 minus 2, on the opposite side it will become plus 2. Then 2x plus 1x is 3x, less than or equal to 9 plus 2, it is 11. So next, since here 3x is there, we have to remove the number 3. So divide by 3. See, 3x divided by 3 less than or equal to 11 divided by 3. Since we have divided by the positive number, the sign of inequality it remains the same. So 3 and 3 get cancels. X less than or equal to 11 divided by 3. We simplify 11 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. 10 11 2 is carry. If you take the decimal point, it becomes 20. 3 6 are 18. 3.6. So we have to write x is less than or equal to 3.6. H is less than or equal to 3.6. Since it is a set of whole numbers, if you write the whole number set, W is equals to, it includes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Less than and equal to 3 means here x is equals to 0, 1, 2, and since it is given equal to, will include 3. Next 10th one, solve the equation 12 plus 1 5 by 6x less than or equal to 5 plus 3x, and we should represent the answer in the real number set. The plus 3x has x. So this is a mixed fraction. We convert this into the improper fraction. 6 ones are 6 plus 5 is 11 divided by 6x, and I'm bringing plus 3x to this side, will become minus 3x. Then here we have less than or equal to, opposite side we have here 5, and plus 12 we take to the opposite side, will become minus 12. Then take the LCM. Here the denominator is 1. The LCM for 6 and 1 is 6. Cross multiply. 11 ones are 11. So since we have x, mention x. Then here minus sign. 6 threes are 18 x. Less than or equal to 5 minus 12. It is minus 7. Then 11 minus 18x. 11x minus 18x. It is 7x divided by 6. And here less than or equal to minus 7. Here you observe we have to remove minus 7 by 6. Right? So we have to multiply with minus sign, since we need positive sign with x. So minus into minus it will become plus. We want to cancel 7 by 6. So we have to multiply by 6 by 7 on both the sides. Multiply by minus 6 by 7 on both the sides. So minus 7 by 6x into minus 6 by 7 less than or equal to minus 7 into minus 6 by 7. Need doubts here? Then 6 and 6 get cancels. 7 and 7 get cancels. Here also 7 and 7 get cancels. In the side we have minus into minus plus x. and x belong dot to x that belongs to real number set, and this condition x is less than or equal to 6. X is less than or equal to 6. This is what we have to write. The 11th question. Given x belongs to integers, find the solution set of minus 5 less than or equal to 2x minus 3 less than x plus 2. Here we should represent the answer in the set of integers. Here you can observe it is given two inequality equations. This is one set and this is one set. So we consider these two one set, right? Minus 5 less than or equal to 2x minus 3. And the another set is again the middle term it will fix 2x minus 3 less than x plus 2. Hope you understood how we have written. The first two numbers, one set we have considered. Again, the second two numbers, second and the last number is another set of equation. Now, as usual, we will simplify it. We keep the x term and bring the other constant to one side. Here we have minus 5. So, here one thing I am going to remind you, please don't bring the number 2x to this side in the same step. The 2x should be in the same step. When we take the x term to the side, the inequality sign, it changes, it inverses. So keep minus 5 here, minus 3 you bring it to the side, it will become plus 3. Then less than or equal to, here we have 2x. Then minus 5 plus 3 it is minus 1. Minus 2 less than or equal to 2x. Right? Then we have to divide by 2 to remove 2 from both the sides. So here minus 2 divided by 2 less than or equal to 2x divided by 2. 2 and 2 get cancels. 2 and 2 get cancels. Here we have minus 1 less than or equal to x. Now we want to take x to this side, minus 1 to opposite side. At the same time, the sign of the inequality it inverses. That means here it is given less than or equal to. When you take x to here, it changes to greater than or equal to. So we can mention x is greater than or equal to minus 1. Any doubts? Next, we simplify the second set of equation. 2x we have here. This plus x you bring it to this side. So 2x, here plus x is there. It will become minus x and less than. Here we have plus 3 right as this. And this minus 3 it changes to plus 3. Then 2x minus x is 1x. We can write as it is x. Then less than 2 plus 3 is 5. Right? So x is greater than or equal to minus 1 and less than 5. We should represent this answer in the integer number set. So let me write the integer number set. I is equals to, because you can write z is equals to 0 plus or minus 1. Otherwise you can write the number line format 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 continuous. This side plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 continuous. And we have to write numbers which are greater than minus 1 and less than 5. So it includes greater than minus 1. From here it starts 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and it is given less than 5. So we have to start by plus 4. Hope you understood. X is greater than minus 1. So we have started with 0. You can look into the integer number set. Greater than 0 begins, greater than minus 1 begins with the 0 plus 1 plus 2. And the second condition is given x is less than 5. So we have stopped by plus 4. 12th one. Given x belongs to whole numbers, find the solution set of minus 1 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x greater than 23. Then minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 less than or equal to 4x. Then we have to remove 4 along with the x. So divide by 4. Then here minus 4 divided by 4 less than or equal to 4x divided by 4. Since we have divided by the positive number, we don't need to change anything here. Then 4 and 4 get cancels. Here also 4 and 4 get cancels. Minus 1 less than or equal to x. So when you get x to here minus 1 to opposite side, x is greater than or equal to minus 1. Any doubts here? Then here 4x will be and plus 3 will take to the opposite side. So 4 is less than 23 plus 3 becomes minus 3. Okay? 4x less than 23 minus 3 is 20. Then here also we divide by 4. Then 4x divided by 4 less than 20 divided by 4. Then 4 and 4 get cancels. 4 ones are 4 5s are. Right? Then x is less than 5. Here we have the condition x is greater than or equal to minus 1. X is less than 5. And we should represent the answer in the whole number set. So let me write the whole number set. W is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. It includes 0 and all the positive number. So if it is greater than minus 1 means it begins with 0, right? And less than 5, right? So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Since it is not mentioned equal to, we have to stop by 4. Okay. Next, this completed exercise 4a. Before going to the next exercise, look into the second main. I have asked you to tell me the answer to the homework. State whether the following sentences are true or false. The first one is given: if A is less than B, then A minus C is less than B minus C. The condition is given: A is less than C, then A is less than B. Then if you subtract the same quantity from both the numbers, it remains the same. The sign of inequality remains the same. The first we have given the sign of the equation. Here A is less than B. Okay. The next one it is given the minus C, means the quantity C is subtracted from both the sides, and also they have given the sign of inequation. It remains the same. Yes, it is true. Hope you have written it is true. And the second one you can see A is less than B. If you add the same quantity on both the sides, like A plus C less than B plus C. This is also true. If you add or subtract the same quantity on the both the sides of the inequation, the sign of inequation it remains same. There will be no changes in the sign of inequation. Hope you understand this too. Next, the third one, it is given A is less than B. If you multiply some of the quantity, let me see here. C is multiplied on both the sides. C is multiplied on both the sides, but the sign of inequation it inverses. But they have given it is same, it is false. Always if you multiply same quantity on both the sides of the inequation, the sign of inequation it inverses. It should be AC greater than BC. Hope you understood this. And the fourth one it is given: if A is less than B, then if you divide the same quantity on both the sides of the inequation, like A divided by C, then B divided by C, they have given in the question the sign of inequation it remains same. It is false. The sign of the inequation it reverses. If you divide the same quantity on both the sides of the inequation, then the sign of inequation inverses. So I repeat, if you add and subtract the sign of the inequation, it remains same. If you multiply and inequation, then the sign of the inequation is inverses. So the first one true, second one true, third one false, and fourth one is false. Next we will look into the fifth question. A minus C is greater than B minus D, then A plus D is greater than B plus C. The sign of integration will be same. B minus C to this side will become C. So it is true, right? While solving this sum, we have done this. If you shift the transfer the positive sign to the other side, and the negative sign to this side, there will be no changes in the sign of inequation. So the fifth one is true. The last one is, if A is less than B and C is greater than 0, then A minus C is greater than B minus C. Here it is given A is less than B and one more quantity C is not equals to 0. Then A minus C, it is given greater than B minus C. If you subtract the same quantity, the sign of the equation remains the same. I have informed in the first question of this, right? So but here we have given it as inverse. So it is wrong. It should be the same. So the last one is false. For the fourth B exercise, till now we have learned how to solve the inequation. Now we are going to solve the inequation. Along with that, we are representing the inequation on the number line. So you can look in the page number 49, exercise 4B. The first question, represent the following inequalities on real number line. Here also they will be giving the number set. On which number set you have to represent the inequation. First main is given, you should represent the number line, inequality on the real number line. The first question, 2x minus 1 less than 5. So here, first we solve for this x value. 2x we keep here and less than minus 1 I am taking to the opposite side. So 5 plus 1. Then 2x less than 5 plus 1 is 6. Divide by which number here? 2. We want to remove 2 along with x. So here divide by 2. Since we are dividing with a positive number, we are not going to change anything in the sign of inequality. So 2x divided by 2 less than 6 divided by 2. 2 and 2 get cancels. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So x is less than 3. X is less than 3. So we have to represent this number, this set, in the real number. We represent here x dot x belongs to R. That means x belongs to real number set, and the answer is given here. X is less than 3. X is less than 3. Now we should represent this answer on the number line. So let me draw a number line. Hope you know how to draw a number line. A line with the arrow mark and 0 in the middle. And here it is positive numbers. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, etc. And here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. So before representing, let me explain you how to represent. If it is strictly less than or strictly greater than, then we have to represent with a hollow circle. Hope you understand. If you represent only less than is given, always represent with a hollow circle. In case if it is less than and equal to, greater than and equal to, then a circle with shade inside that. Be clear with this? Less than and greater than, this is a hollow circle. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, then a circle with shade inside that. So here we have this x is strictly less than 3. So we mark on 3 with a hollow circle. Did you understand? We have to mark on the positive 3 with a hollow circle and draw our number backside. While we are drawing on backside, 1. Then 3x greater than or equal to minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. Now divide by 3. Again, it is a positive number. We are not going to change anything in the sign of the inequality. So 3x divided by 3 greater than or equal to minus 6 divided by 3. 3 ones are, it cancels. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So x is greater than or equal to minus 2. So we have to represent the answer in the real number set. So x dot x belongs to real number set and x is greater than or equal to minus 2. So represent in the number line. After drawing, so which number is given here? Minus 2. So here one more condition is greater than or equal to. Then we should draw a circle with shape inside there, not a hollow circle. When it is there greater than and equal symbol, then it should get shaded. Right? Minus 2 greater than or equal to, so I have shaded, and it is greater than. So if greater than means you have to move forward. Minus 2 greater than. Draw a line on the top till the end. Like this you have to draw. First thing, on which number you have to draw the line. Second thing, you should observe whether you should draw a hollow line, a hollow circle or the shaded circle. If it is less than or greater than hollow circle, if it is less than or equal to and greater than or equal to, then it is a shaded circle. Then if it is greater than, you will move forward. If it is less than, you will move backward. Easy one. Okay, third question. 2 into 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 6. Less than or equal to 6. Open the bracket and multiply. 2 2s are 4x minus 2 3s are 6 less than or equal to 6. And keep x here minus 6 on the opposite side. So 4x, the sign as it is you have to write minus 6 when it goes opposite side will become plus 6. Then 4x less than or equal to 6 plus 6 is 12. Then divide by 4. Again, here it is a positive number we are dividing by. So we don't need to change any sign in equation. So 4x divided by 4 less than or equal to 12 divided by 4. Right? 4 and 4 then cancels. 4 ones are, 4 threes are. And here we have x is less than or equal to 3. Then represent in the real number set. X dot x belongs to real number set and x is greater than or equal to 3. Then represent this in the number line. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Then we should consider here the plus 3. So consider here plus 3. And it is greater than and sorry less than and equal to. So less than and equal to is there. So we have to draw a circle with shade inside there. Since it is less than, we have to move backward. Till the end we have to draw the line upon them. Like this. Next we go for the fourth question. Minus 4 less than x less than 4. Here we don't need to simplify anything, but x has two values. X is greater than and less than +4. So mark a hollow circle on -4 and hollow circle on +4. Then just join these two because the x value in between these two. Okay. Next, fifth one. -2 less than or equal to x less than 5. Here, the same way like previous one, x value is greater than -2, greater than and equal to -2, less than 5. So only we have to represent on the number line. Positive number we should write till 5, negative number we should write till -2. So here it is 0, -1, -2, -3. Here +1, +2, +3, +4, +5. Then represent here, it is given greater than or equal to -2. So mark on -2 with a shaded one because it is mentioned it is equals to. So shade inside the circle. Then here it is strictly less than 5. So here it is a hollow circle. Then join these two. Okay, next 8th one and 9th one is for homework. 6th one and 7th one is for homework. Mark down 6th one and 7th one is for homework. Next, second main question. For each graph given alongside, write an equation taking x as the variable. So they have given here the number line representing some x value inequality on the number line. We have to write what is the equation taking x as the variable. Okay, look into these questions. The first question is given a number line with -1, it is shaded, right? And it is less than that. If it is moving backward, means it is less than. So we consider x, and here it is marked on -1, and it is less than, right? X is less than -1. Okay, here -1 less than x. Since it is dark shaded, we have to mark equal to. Hope you understand. X we have to write and -1 we have to write. X value is less than, and since it is shaded, we have to write equal to. And the second question you can see it is mentioned 2. So we write 2 and x here. Okay. And then it is shaded, right? And it is moving forward. So it is greater than. X is greater than 2. And since it is shaded, we have to write equal to. Hope you understand. minus 4. Then you can observe it is here it is given shaded bar, so you have to mark the equal to. I'll repeat once again. Don't get confused. First you write the number which is given. It is minus 1 and write the variable x. Okay. Then you see whether it is moved forward or backward. If it is moved forward, you have to get less than symbol, right? And then you look into the circle. If it is shaded bar, include equals, right? Then here we have 2 and x, right? 2 one side, x one side. Then this subset is moving forward, so x is greater than. Then look into the circle, it is shaded bar, so you have to mention equals to. Then here there are 2 marks. Here shaded bar, here polar circle. That means we have 2 values for x. So x you write in between, and the first value here minus 2 here 3 that you write from either sides. Then you can see here it is in between 3 and minus 4, and it is a polar circle. Polar circle is strictly it is moving backward less than. So here it is minus 4. It is shaded. It is equals to, greater than or equals to. So we go for the third main question. For the following equation, graph the solution set on the real number line. Here also you have to graph on the number line by using the real number set. So the first one, minus 4 less than or equal to minus 4 less than or equal to 3x minus 1 less than 8. First we have to solve for this equation. Here we have to set off in equation. Minus 4 less than or equal to 3x minus 1 one set, and 3x minus 1 less than 8 is another set. We write that minus 4 less than or equal to 3x minus 1. Again 3x minus 1 less than 8. Okay, then solve for x here, minus 4 here, and minus 1 you bring it to the side, it will become plus 1 and less than or equal to 3x. And then minus 4 plus 1, it is minus 3 less than or equal to 3x. So divide by plus 3. You want to cancel 3 here, so divide by 3. So you will get minus 3 by 3 less than or equal to 3x divided by 3. Then 3 and 3 get cancels. Here also 3 and 3 get cancels. Minus 1 less than or equal to x. We want to reverse this. X has to come to the side. Minus 1 has to go on the opposite side. So the sign of inequation inverses. So x is greater than or equal to minus 1. So we consider the second set of equation. 3x I am keeping here. Minus 1 on the opposite side less than 8 plus 1. Then 3x less than 8 plus 1 is 9. Then divide by 3. So 3x divided by 3 less than 9 divided by 3. Cancel 3 ones are 3 ones are, and 3 ones are 3 threes are. So here we get x is less than 3. So we have the condition x is greater than or equal to minus 1 and x is less than 3. We have to represent this answer in the number line. Okay, just greater than or equal to minus 1. So mark from minus 1 since it is equals to. So the less than or equal to. Since it is equals to, you have to draw the circle. And the second value we have here x is greater than, sorry, less than 3. Mark on 3. Since it is strictly less than, we have to keep as it is polar circle. So join these two. The x value is in between minus 1 and 3. It is moving forward, so it is greater than minus 1. It's moving backward, so it is less than plus 3. Any doubts? Okay, the second question is for homework in the same one. X minus 1 less than 3 minus x less than or equal to 5. This is for homework. I am repeating the homework sums in the first main You have